How do you handle state sales tax in Keap? Welcome to the I Love Keap podcast. My name is Tyler Garnes. I am your host, and this is a great question brought to us by Steve. Here's what he says. I've been part of the online marketing world for quite a while selling information products. I started a new company last year selling a membership program selling in multiple states. My question is about state sales tax compliance. Most marketers seem to ignore compliance. Keap does have a simple manual process. Does anyone use it? What other options are available? I had a conversation with a sales tax product manager at Stripe yesterday. All of the outside services I have talked to can handle compliance, but only after the sale. I have not found a solution for adding the correct state sales tax, if needed, to a Keap order form to collect the tax at the point of sale. Thanks for any thoughts you may have. So Steve, this is a great question because it's a question that Keap has not yet handled correctly. As you stated, there is the ability to add a state, a country, state, and or city sales tax inside of Keap. And you can put those in there for all the states, all the cities. That's going to be a major pain, right, to go in and put all that stuff in. One thing it's missing is county sales tax. In some states, counties are able to apply a sales tax. And so that's not going to work fully if you need to collect a city or a county sales tax. And in other countries, the country defines the sales tax. So it's not a full and complete solution that's inside of Keap Max Classic. Also, in Keap Max or Keap Pro, you can create a sales tax there, but it's kind of interesting. It's not defined by state or country or city or county. You create the tax and then you basically add it to a product. In the product settings, you check the box and you tell the system apply sales tax on this product, which is really interesting. It kind of doesn't work the greatest. So your question about what solutions are there out there? Well, the best thing to do is to use actually a third-party system. And if you know me, you know that I usually try and avoid using third-party systems whenever possible. Why? Well, native tends to work better in any software system that you're using, right? The more third-party tools you connect, the more chances there are for things to break because they're all trying to talk to each other, a bunch of API connections, and the more of those connections you have, the more chances you have that things break. So I generally try and avoid third-party systems. At the same time, this is one of those areas where if you really need to charge sales tax, and this is very important for your business, then you need to use a third-party system most likely. The ones I would recommend would be Shopify or WooCommerce. Both of those systems have the ability with WooCommerce, it may be a plugin, I'm not 100% sure, but they have the ability to automatically keep all of your sales tax tables up to date because that's literally what it is a table of all of the states and the cities and the counties and countries and everything else so that when someone checks out, the appropriate sales tax is applied. Now, I'm not a tax expert, so I couldn't tell you a whole lot more than that other than Shopify and WooCommerce can handle this for you, and both of them connect to Keap fairly seamlessly. With WooCommerce, you would want to use Infused Woo or Connect for WooCommerce or something like that. I can't remember the names of them, but that's what you have out there is, you basically need to get another plugin to connect to WooCommerce to your Keap account. With Shopify, also there are other third-party plugins that will connect your Shopify to your Keap account. So this is a fascinating subject. Actually, I hadn't thought of it myself really at all. And so you gave me an opportunity to kind of research it. And here's the funniest thing that I found. I live in California. We're like the most taxed state of all the states, right? It's ridiculous living here. There are many days we go, what are we doing? Why shouldn't we move somewhere else? But the fascinating thing I found is that some of the most taxed states out there don't actually require a sales tax on digital products. California and New York being two of those. Some of the most heavily taxed states out there. In those situations, digital products are tax exempt, which is just fascinating and mind-blowing. So anyways, hopefully that helped you out, Steve. Hopefully it helps out others who may be wondering about sales tax in Keap. So hope you enjoy that. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe on Spotify, iHeartRadio, wherever you listen to podcasts, and visit ilovekeap.com so you can opt into our emails there and make sure you get alerted every time we release a new episode. All right, also there on ilovekeap.com, you can submit a question of your own if you have a burning question about Keap. All right, see you next time.